Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy World Learning Tutorial Channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you Microsoft Excel fraction. So for this case I will go to the Microsoft Excel. In this case in the home page I will do the things. So first of all select it with the column and here the number section, then we will select this the fractions. So here the fractions how up to 3 digit. See, this is the fraction number. Again we will do another way, lots of category that we can 1/4. See, this is the 1/4 fraction number. So again we do this thing up to row. Actually whatever we do according to our works, this is the half. See, so again we will do, first I will do the general number, sorry, the number, two, three. So in this multiple way the thing has been 2, 3, 2, 3, see the consecutive way in this work. So now the do what, the fraction 1/4. First of all we have to select the things, fraction how, as us. Ten, 3/10. See, is this something working? Again we will do 1/16. This is the 16 fraction. See, so in this way the thing has been working. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.